The latest BYD news is something else. In a BYD market strategy, the Chinese EV giant has fired a BYD warning shot at its Western EV rivals by making massive investments. This move is said to intensify BYD EV competition. Can established BYD EV rival manufacturers keep up as BYD versus Western EVs increase? In a bold BYD market strategy, the Chinese electric vehicle giant, backed by Warren Buffett, has fired a BYD warning shot at its Western EV rivals by investing $1 billion into a new EV factory in Turkey, their second European factory following one in Hungary. This strategic move not only signifies BYD's commitment to becoming a major player in the global EV market with a massive production capacity of 150,000 electric vehicles annually, but also cleverly circumvents the new EU tariffs, which include a hefty 17.4% charge on top of the existing 10% for non-EU manufactured cars. This Turkish plant is poised to be operational by the end of 2026, creating 5,000 new jobs and allowing BYD to tap into the European market with greater ease. The location of the plant in Turkey is no accident. It's a strategic decision that allows BYD to tap into the European market while cleverly sidestepping the tariffs that have been imposed on Chinese EVs by the European Union. Additionally, Turkey's customs trade deal with the EU provides a further advantage, allowing BYD to export its vehicles to the bloc without incurring additional charges. But the Turkey plant is just one piece of BYD's ambitious global expansion puzzle. The company has been rapidly expanding its footprint in recent years, with a new factory recently opened in Thailand and plans for one in Mexico. This aggressive BYD market strategy is a testament to its ambition to compete head-to-head with Western EV manufacturers on their turf. BYD's meteoric rise in the EV market isn't solely due to its technological prowess or business acumen. A significant factor contributing to BYD's success is the unwavering support it receives from the Chinese government. Through a combination of subsidies, tax incentives, and favorable policies, the Chinese government has nurtured its domestic EV industry, providing companies like BYD with a significant competitive advantage. This government backing has all allowed BYD to invest heavily in research and development, rapidly expand its production capacity, and offer its electric vehicles at competitive prices. However, this government support also has sparked controversy and trade tensions with Western countries. Critics argue that these subsidies create an uneven playing field, giving Chinese EV makers an unfair advantage over their Western counterparts. This has led to accusations of dumping, where Chinese companies are accused of selling their products below market value to gain market share. In response to these concerns, both the European Union and the United States have taken action to protect their domestic EV industries. The EU recently imposed tariffs on imported Chinese electric vehicles, while the US has also implemented measures to safeguard its manufacturers. These trade tensions have added another layer of complexity to the global EV landscape, creating uncertainty and potentially impacting the future growth of the industry. The question remains, is China's support for its EV industry a legitimate effort to foster innovation and combat climate change, or is it an unfair trade practice that harms Western competitors? The answer is likely a bit of both. While government support can play a crucial role in jump-starting emerging industries, it's important to ensure that this support doesn't stifle competition or create an uneven playing field. While Tesla has long been considered the undisputed king of the electric vehicle market, BYD's recent moves have sparked speculation about a potential change of the guard. The two companies, both giants in the EV space, have distinct approaches and strategies, making the competition between them all the more fascinating. BYD's global expansion could potentially reshape the future of the EV industry. The competition between BYD and Tesla isn't just a corporate rivalry, it's a driving force behind the evolution of the entire EV market competition. As these two giants push each other to new heights, we can expect to see continued innovation, improved affordability, and a wider range of BYD electric vehicles and Tesla models hitting the market. And that's great news for customers, who will ultimately benefit from this heated rivalry as the EV revolution continues to gain momentum. However, BYD's expansion plans have not been without setbacks. India recently rejected a BYD proposal to set up a $1 billion factory in the country, citing security concerns related to Chinese investments. This rejection underscores the geopolitical complexities that can arise as Chinese companies seek to expand their global reach. Despite this setback, BYD's stock only fell 0.9% following the announcement and remains above a rising 50-day moving average, indicating that investors remain confident in the company's long-term growth prospects. What does this mean for consumers? The intensifying competition between BYD and other Western EV manufacturers is excellent news for consumers. As these companies vie for market share, we can expect to see a wider range of electric vehicles at more affordable prices. BYD's focus on budget-friendly models could spark a price war, forcing other manufacturers to lower their prices and making EVs more accessible to the average consumer. But it's not just about price. The BYD EV competition is also driving a rapid pace of innovation. As companies strive to outdo each other, we can anticipate a steady stream of new EV technologies, including more efficient batteries, faster charging capabilities, and enhanced safety features. This race to innovate will ultimately benefit consumers, who will have better access to more affordable electric vehicles than ever before. In fact, BYD's latest update suggests they are not only focusing on affordability, but also on pushing the technological envelope. They recently unveiled a new battery technology that promises to significantly increase range and reduce charging times. This breakthrough could be a game-changer, giving BYD a significant edge over its competitors and further accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles. While the future of the EV market looks bright, it's not without its challenges. Expanding globally presents a unique set of hurdles for BYD. Navigating different regulatory environments, establishing brand recognition in new markets, and building a reliable supply chain are just a few of the obstacles the company must overcome. Additionally, BYD will need to continue innovating and adapting to the ever-changing demands of consumers if it wants to maintain its momentum and compete with established players like Tesla. However, the opportunities for growth are immense. The global demand for electric vehicles is expected to continue to surge in the coming years, driven by concerns about climate change, government incentives, and increasing consumer awareness. As more countries set ambitious targets for reducing emissions and transitioning to cleaner transportation, the EV market is poised for exponential growth. BYD is well positioned to capitalize on this trend with its focus on affordability, innovative technology, and aggressive expansion strategy. By expanding into new markets and developing cutting-edge EV technologies, BYD can solidify its position as a global leader in the electric vehicle industry. Strategic partnerships with other companies, such as charging infrastructure providers and battery manufacturers, could further strengthen BYD's position and accelerate its growth. The road ahead may be filled with challenges, but the opportunities for growth are immense. As the world transitions to a more sustainable future, electric vehicles will play a pivotal role. And with companies like BYD leading the charge, the future of the EV market looks brighter than ever. And that's it for this video. What are your thoughts on BYD's expansion and the future of electric vehicles? Share your insights and join the conversation below. We hope you enjoyed watching the latest updates about EVs and BYD. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching.